Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for new house tax online. First, gather all necessary documents like property deeds and identification. Next, navigate to your local government's official property tax website. You'll need to register for a new account or log in if you already have one. This initial step ensures you have access to the correct forms and submission portal. We'll guide you through each stage, making the process straightforward and efficient. Before starting, compile all essential documents. This includes your property's sale deed, occupancy certificate, and any previous tax receipts. You'll also need personal identification, like a government-issued ID. Be sure to have accurate property specifications, such as the total area in square feet and the construction completion date. Having these details organized beforehand will significantly speed up your online application submission. Once logged in, find the section for new property tax applications. Carefully select the appropriate form, often labeled New Assessment or Property Tax Registration. Proceed to fill out each field with precision, entering details like property type, usage, and dimensions. Upload clear, scanned copies of your documents as requested. Before finalizing, thoroughly review every piece of information to prevent errors and ensure a smooth approval process. After submitting your application, you'll be directed to the payment gateway. Select your preferred method, such as credit card, debit card, or net banking, and complete the transaction securely. Once payment is successful, download and save your official receipt and the unique application ID. This ID is crucial for tracking the status of your new house tax application online. You can typically check progress on the same portal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.